Best tech deals you can grab right now. It's no secret that finding the best tech deals can feel like hitting the jackpot. With new products dropping constantly, it's easy to miss out on hidden discounts and offers. Lucky for you, we've scoured the web to bring you the best tech deals available right now, covering everything from smartphones and laptops to smart home gadgets and gaming accessories. Whether you're looking to upgrade your gear or find budget-friendly gifts, this list has you covered. Let's dive into the hottest deals you won't want to miss. 1. Smartphones. Huge discounts on flagship devices. If you're in the market for a new smartphone, now is the time to buy. Some of the biggest brands are offering impressive discounts on flagship models. iPhone 14 Pro Max. Save up to $200 with select carriers. Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. Enjoy a $300 price cut on unlocked models. Google Pixel 7, grab it for $100 off and get a free set of Pixel Buds. These deals are perfect for tech enthusiasts who want top-tier features without breaking the bank. Keep an eye on limited-time flash sales. Those prices drop fast. 2. Laptops and PCs, power at a lower price. Looking for a new workhorse laptop or a gaming beast? Here are some of the best deals right now. MacBook Air M2, reduced by $150 at major retailers. Dell XPS 13, get $300 off during Dell's ongoing sale. HP Omen Gaming Laptop, enjoy 25% off, making it one of the best budget-friendly gaming laptops. Pro tip: many retailers also offer student discounts on laptops. Combine these offers for maximum savings. TAR 3, smart home gadgets. Tech for a smarter living. Transform your home with smart devices without spending a fortune. These deals are perfect for building your smart home setup. Amazon Echo Dot, 5th Gen, only $29.99, down from $49.99. Google Nest Hub, save $40 on the latest model. Philips Hue Smart Light Starter Kit, get 30% off and free shipping. Smart home technology makes life easier and more efficient, and these deals make it affordable too. Hash4 Wearables, stay connected and healthy. Whether you're into fitness or just want the latest smartwatch, there are fantastic deals on wearables right now. Apple Watch Series 8, up to $70 off. Samsung Galaxy Watch 5, grab it for $229, a $50 discount. Fitbit Versa 4, available for $179, a $50 saving. These wearables are great for tracking your health and staying connected on the go. R5, gaming accessories. Level up for less. Gamers rejoice! Some of the best deals are happening in the gaming world, from accessories to consoles. Xbox Series S, available for just $249. Logitech G Pro Wireless Mouse, get 20% off. PlayStation 5 games, up to 50% off select titles. With these discounts, you can enhance your gaming experience without blowing your budget. Dash 6, audio gear, crystal clear sound at a discount. From noise-cancelling headphones to portable speakers, these deals are music to your ears. Sony WH-1XM5, save $100 on one of the best noise-cancelling headphones. Bose SoundLink Revolve Plus, now $179, a 20% discount. JBL Flip 6 portable speaker, get it for $99. Whether you're working from home or hosting a party, quality audio gear makes all the difference. Shan 7 streaming devices. Cut the cord for less. Upgrade your home entertainment setup with these discounted streaming devices. Roku Streaming Stick 4K, just $39.99 down from $49.99. Amazon Fire TV Stick 4K Max, save $15 on one of the best streaming devices. Apple TV 4K, reduced by $30 at select retailers. Now is the perfect time to cut the cord and enjoy streaming your favorite shows in 4K. How to snag the best deals. Want to score even better discounts? Here are some quick tips. 1. Use price comparison tools. Websites like Camel can track price history on Amazon. 2. Sign up for newsletters. Many retailers offer exclusive discounts to subscribers. 3. Follow social media pages. Stay updated on flash sales and last-minute deals. Conclusion: from smartphones and laptops to gaming accessories and smart home devices, the best tech deals are just a click away. Don't wait too long. These discounts won't last forever. Stay ahead of the game and grab these offers while you can.